Nothing but the best will do.
Hello, I'm Thomas with Atlas Metalworks, and today we're going to be doing a video on running Conduit for a gate job. To start, we're just going to be putting some PVC cement glue on the conduit to connect them. Another tip that's not completely necessary, but just a good thing, in my opinion, is remember to close the lid on the cement glue so it doesn't dry up or get any debris inside of it from the wind. A necessary tool as well when working with conduit is fishing tape. It's a time saver and it's easy to use. Another pretty cool thing was the customer that we were actually doing this job for had a skid steer, so he saved us a lot of strain and he actually helped us dig the trench out as well. Next, we're going to be burying the automatic exit wand. It connects to the gate and allows it to open up from the inside when a car gets close without the need for a remote or a keypad. Pretty much the same thing as apartment entry gates have. Next, we're going to find a place to mount the PVC junction box. Another tip I was told is you don't want to tighten it fully because you might need to adjust it later to make sure the conduit fits snug and properly. Lastly, we're just taking the remaining conduit and making sure that the end connects to the junction box doesn't have excess conduit.
Nothing but the best will do. Quality products.